more and more studies are sounding the alarm. Excessive screen time is linked to delayed vocabulary and slower development in young children. Headlines like these are everywhere, and as parents, it's time to take control. Thankfully, tools like Google Family Link make it easier than ever to guide your child's screen habits and support healthy growth. How to install Google Family Link on your device. A step-by-step guide for parents. Google Family Link is a parental control app designed to manage children's digital safety. It's a free tool working on both Android and iOS. Help parents monitor and guide online activities with ease. Let's begin by unlocking your phone or tablet. Now, go ahead and find the Google Play Store app. It's usually located on your home screen or inside your app drawer. Tap on it to open the store. If you're using an iPhone, instead of the Play Store, you'll need to open the App Store. It works the same way for downloading apps on Apple devices. This App Store is where we'll download the Google Family Link app that helps parents manage their child's digital safety and screen time. Step 2. Search for Family Link. Once the App Store is open, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type in Family Link. Make sure you type it correctly, so the right app appears in the results. After typing, hit the search or enter button on your keyboard. In just a few seconds, you should see the app called Google Family Link or Family Link for Parents. This is the one we want. Step 3. Install the app. Once you've found the correct app, you'll notice an install button right next to it, usually in green. Tap Install and give it a moment. The app will now begin downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds to a minute. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi if you want to save mobile data. Step 4. Open the Family Link app. When the download is complete, the install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. You can also open it later from your home screen or app list. Just look for the Family Link icon, which usually shows a colorful parent and child silhouette. Now, let's move on to setting things up. Step 5. Start the setup with your Google account. Once the app is open, you'll be welcomed with a short introduction screen. Tap on the Continue button to begin the setup process. At this point, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This should be the parent's account, not the child's. Signing in allows Family Link to connect your Google account to your child's device, so you can manage their apps, screen time, and device usage remotely. Enter your email and password, and follow the sign-in process. Step 6. Connect your child's account. Now, Family Link will ask if your child already has a Google account. If your child already has an account, for example, if they've used Gmail, YouTube, or another Google service before, tap Yes. The app will guide you through the steps to link their existing account to yours. This may involve verifying their account, entering their details, or scanning a setup code on their device. If your child doesn't have a Google account yet, don't worry, just tap No. The app will walk you through how to create a new account for your child, step by step. You'll enter details like their name, birth date, and create a secure password. Once that's done, their new account will be automatically managed under your supervision.